Dear ladies and gentlemen, first of all, let me say thank you for the nice competition. It was a lot of fun doing this for you and with you. And now I'm gonna try to ruffle the Cessna. Here you can see I have prepared the results and what I want to submit now, so that you will see at the timestamp I'm ruffling for the first time. So that's only why I'm doing this video here. Now I will submit this, and somewhere should be a timestamp. Here you can see it. Okay, my time, I'm 2 hours later because I live in Germany. That's the GMT time, so everything is alright here. So first of all I need the names. I will copy them from here. Okay. Okay, it's not working. Maybe I've pressed the wrong key. Oh. Let's do it again. So, what's going on here? Hey. Oh. It doesn't work on this way. Maybe I have to go to the edit mode. Oh, I will try it again another way. Okay, let's go in the edit mode, where I can copy all the names. Okay, here we go. Copy and paste. Okay, it looks not really nice, but you can see your names. As you can see, I leave my name here on the list too, because if I will win the plane, I will leave it in the pot for an European champion, for an overall champion of all races. And yeah, that's the only reason why I leave here my name. And so let's start. And the Cessna goes to JDT. Congratulations.